Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents remarkable study reveals that fasting for 72 hours can regenerate the entire immune system. Fasting is often practiced as a way to quickly lose weight, but it can apparently help you fight off diseases too. A recent study has shown that refraining from food for 2 days can regenerate the immune system and help you fight infections. A study recently published in the Telegraph discovered that fasting for as little as 3 days can help regenerate the entire immune system in people of all ages. The study was made by the University of South Carolina, and they found this breakthrough of remarkable importance. For 6 months, they analyzed the effects of fasting for 2 to 4 days on both humans and mice. In both cases, it resulted in significantly lowered white blood cell counts. In mice, fasting flipped a regenerative switch that triggered stem cell-based regeneration of new white blood cells and thus renewed the body's defense system. According to Walter Longo, professor of gerontology and the biological sciences at the University of Southern California, when you starve, the system tries to save energy, and one of the things it can do to save energy is to recycle a lot of the immune cells that are not needed, especially those that may be damaged. Longo added, with the system heavily damaged by chemotherapy or aging, fasting cycles can generate literally a new immune system. The participants saw a noticeable decrease in the production of the enzyme pKa, a hormone which has been associated with an increased risk of cancer and tumor growth. Furthermore, the immune system of the participants appeared to get a complete overhaul. Also, Healthline reports, several studies have found that fasting could naturally increase HGH levels. This key hormone is involved in growth, metabolism, weight loss, and muscle strength. One study in 11 healthy adults showed that fasting for 24 hours significantly increased levels of HGH. Another small study in 9 men found that fasting just 2 days led to a 5-fold increase in the HGH production rate. Plus, fasting may help maintain steady blood sugar and insulin levels throughout the day, which may further optimize levels of HGH, as some research has found that sustaining increased levels of insulin may reduce HGH levels. The practice of fasting has been associated with a myriad of health benefits, so in order to support health, incorporate it to your routine, coupled with a healthy lifestyle and a nutritious diet. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.